Hello my colleagues, it's Mike Erumaka here, and in today's video we'll be discussing trading hours in indices trading. For those of you, if this is your first time watching my video, well, I want to welcome you to the channel. I've been running a series on a unique way to trade stocks via indices trading, and if you're lost on what indices trading is all about, then I encourage you to click on the card above to go watch a video where I break down everything you need to know and understand about trading indices. As in this particular video, we will be focused more on trying to understand the best time to trade indices. By the way, big shout out to Vantage Market, an all-in-one trading application for sponsoring this series. With Vantage Markets, you can trade indices like a pro with low spreads and a leverage as high as 1,000 to 1. You can diversify your portfolio with 1,000 plus tradable instruments, including 25 plus popular market indices like the DJ30, the Nasdaq, and the DAX or the DAX 50. Well, thanks to Vantage, and let's jump into trying to understand the best trading hours for indices. When it comes to trading indices, trading during specific hours is crucial due to peak market activity, ensuring higher liquidity and increased opportunities for price movement. It allows you as a stock indices trader to capitalize on favorable market conditions, maximizing their potential for profitable trades. Here's what I mean. I want you to imagine the stock market like a giant marketplace. When lots of people are there buying and selling at the same time, it's easier for you to find good deals and price changes more often. That's what happens during specific peak hours. Mark my word, peak hours for trading certain stock groups called indices. During these times, more people are trading these indices, so it's a good opportunity for you to buy or sell at the right price. Now, when it comes to trading indices, there are what they call spotlight indices. These are major, or you can say well-known indices. These indices often receive significant media coverage and attention from investors due to their importance in showcasing the overall market performance and economic health. An example of spotlight indices include the Nasdaq and the S&P 500, which are both US-based stock indices, and their trading hours align with the New York Stock Exchange from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time, which is around 3 p.m. Nigerian time to around 10 p.m. Another example of spotlight indices is the Nikkei 225, which is a Japan-based stock index that tracks the performance of 225 of the largest and most liquid companies listed on the Tokyo Stock Exchange. The trading hours of the Nikkei 225 starts with the Tokyo Stock Exchange from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Japan Standard Time (GST). So by knowing when popular indices are most active and then taking advantage of when the big European and American markets are open at the same time, we can make the most of the busy trading environment. This means there are more people trading, which makes it easier for us to buy and sell stock indices smoothly. It's like shopping at a busy market. More people means more options and better deals for us as traders. Now, let us say we wanted to trade any of the spotlight indices, example the Nikkei 225. So you quickly head over to the Vantage Market application. I'll leave a link in the comment section and in the description to download the Vantage Market application for those of you who might have not heard of it or downloaded it before. When you download it, you just sign up or you sign in. If it's your first time, you sign up and then you do your KYC. Basically you submit your proof of identity, which is like your international passport and the picture of your utility bill, which you can also call your NEPA or light bill. Now, make sure that when you're submitting them, make sure that the pictures you're submitting are very, very, very clear, because if it is not clear, Vantage Market would actually reject your identity or your verification process, and you have to now start applying again, and you will not even be able to perform any trade. So once you have submitted all these documents, you now head over to the Vantage application to start your trade. So now that we are logged into the Vantage Market application, what we want to do is to head over to this place that says indices. All right, so we want to know specific trading hours. So we log into this place that says indices. We click on it, then we're going to see the various indices on Vantage Market. So we're looking for the Nikkei 225. So Nikkei 225, you can see it, Nikkei 225, this one right here. So you click on it. Now I want to figure out the trading hours for this particular Nikkei 225 on the Vantage Market application. So what we want to do is to click on this exclamation mark at the top right side, click on it, and then scroll. So you can see the trading time. So you can see from Monday till Friday it's traded between 1 a.m. to like 12 p.m., which is 24. And then during Saturdays and Sundays, the Tokyo Stock Exchange, which is where the Nikkei 225 operates from, is closed. Like no trade is happening. So you can see that it's saying no trading Saturday, Sunday, no trading. So this is how to check the time zones or the time in particular indices is traded using the Vantage Market application. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will be there to answer your questions. Remember, like I said earlier, when it comes to trading stock indices, trading during specific hours is crucial for you to be able to buy and sell at the right price. So guys, if you're enjoying this series, do well to leave a comment. If you have any questions, leave a comment as well, and do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. All these are totally free of charge, and do not forget to check out other videos or the other video where I break down everything you need to know about trading indices. And see you over there.
No one is born a trader. Be reborn a trader. Trade smarter at Vantage.